Unveiling internet's best-kept secrets, cooking hacks that actually work. Life hack: portion burgers with chopsticks. Keep your hands clean while portioning ground beef or turkey into individual patties by flattening the meat in a resealable plastic bag and using a chopstick to score out portions, allowing for immediate cooking or convenient freezing for later use. Life hack: replace parchment with a paper towel. If you're out of parchment paper, use a paper towel to line a greased baking pan. It functions just as effectively. Life hack: use tongs to squeeze citrus. Leverage tongs to extract every bit of juice from your lemon or lime efficiently. Life hack: reuse paper towel tubes to store knives. Safely store and transport knives by placing them carefully inside paper towel tubes. Life hack: tackle finicky messes using a lint roller. Use the sticky sides of a lint roller to easily pick up spilled sprinkles on the floor or countertops during a baking project. Life hack: not worth the effort. Save time by avoiding these 8 kitchen shortcuts that we've tested and found to be less effective, sparing you the trouble of testing them yourself. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.